Good?
Yep.
Ooh, Brian.
What?
Our front just went in.
I know, it's fine.
Okay.
He's not actually on yet. It just made contact. All right, good?
Whoa, 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 hey. Whoa, 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 hey. Why was that thing?
Because the button stuck for some reason.
Ugh. I tapped it a couple times to get it to stop.
You said, whoa, and I saw your hand come off, and I was like, oh no.
Yeah. Well, there went the Makino.
And that's mostly how you get a bracket off. Real big hammer. Alright, come down. Hold up. Get on the other side of this. What's that?
Check.
It's just a fucking bar.
And stop. Move forward. You want me to bring it forward?
Yeah, good. Hold.
What?
You're gonna hit?
Stop. I know, that's why I'm moving it.
No, you're gonna hit back here.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why I was like.
Am I too far forward now?
No, you're good. Well, no, we gotta keep going forward.
All right, let me know when.
Keep going. Keep going.
All right, hold on.
Keep going. You can go a ways now. We got a lot.
Well, how much is a lot?
Inches.
Oh, that's not a lot.
Alright, it's getting close.
I know, I can see the mount right here.
Alright, let's get some hardware together. Tell me how far to go down.
Hold on. I'm gonna be lining you off with mine. Here.
Yeah, it's fine.
Alright, let me move this truck forward a little bit.
Well, I can pull on it.
I got it. Come down. Down. Yeah, you want it on, right?
Yeah.
Come down. Send it. Stop. Let me try to line these bolts up real quick. Put the bolt in.
Yeah, the
Sure
bolt
it's
is
straight. Pretty sure it's straight. Now look, straight.
Yeah, put your real one in.
Pin. Hold on, I gotta get on it.
Oh.
Where'd the rest of the bolts go? Oh yeah.
Yeah, dead nuts?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you guys. Oh, Bro,
Where's the doors?
that is a full-on. I mean, because when have we been working on this for like 2 weeks?
It's not full until we get the doors up.
No, this is for full. It's mounted, burned in. I mean, how long have we actually been working on it? 2 weeks from taking this off of the other truck to it is mounted. All of this stuff is mounted. Listen, it's not fully converted. It's mounted.
How's we get 12 out?
Not till we get what?
12 out.
None of it's done until we get 12 out. But
Maybe put a stack.
I'm telling you, hood stacks, bro.
Angled?
Then you just cut the angle in it.
Well, you gotta make sure you have the flapper on.
No, you don't.
You need the flapper on.
No. So the ramp truck's gonna be taking a break for a while. We got it all body mounted and swapped and everything, and it looks really good. All the body lines came out really good. The way it sits on the frame looks really awesome, and there should be enough room to get that 12 valve underneath there if Granbury ever gets it for us. But we got a lot of other projects coming through, and like I said, Granbury's got to get that 12 valve for us, and that's a hefty investment right there. So I don't know when we're going to get back to the ramp truck, but let us know what you guys think in the comments. Ways we should go, directions we should go, and let us know what we did wrong. Anything like that would be awesome. Make sure you guys hit that like button and the subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next one.